How to install eFootball on Android. So let's get started. Now, if you open up your Play Store and from there, if you simply search for the eFootball, then you might find there and simply tap on install button and the application will get installed. But if you are not unable to find the eFootball application in your Play Store, then what you can do is open up the Chrome browser in your mobile device. Then on the search bar, type in eFootball download. Now, if that's available in the Google Play Store in your device, then simply tap on install button and this application will get installed. If not, you can download the eFootball application from another website as up to down. Tap on up to down and from here you will have the latest version of eFootball. Scroll a down bit and then there you will get a download option. Tap on download and once the application is downloaded, you can install it in your device and enjoy the eFootball application in your mobile device. So that's how you can install eFootball in your Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.